Hi and welcome to another interesting lesson on this channel. In today's class, I'll be walking you through on how I was able to achieve this beautiful side drape top. Yes, you can achieve this top with 1.5 yard of material. I have my material folded into 4 this way, and we'll be having slit at the center front, so we'll be adding our sewing allowance there. I'm adding 0.75 for our sewing allowance, that is 3/4 of an inch for our sewing allowance. That is the line I'm drawing there. This is for our sewing allowance. So all our measurements will be starting from here. I'm marking 3 inches for the neck width, and this is the length of the material I'm having here. I think I have 22 inches. You measure half of your shoulder measurements, half of your shoulder, you mark. From that place now, you mark to your desired sleeve length. From that angle now, you are coming down by 1.5 inch to slope the shoulder area. You can as well leave the shoulder area this way if you are not going to cut it out. So I'm measuring the width of the sleeve. Determine how wide you want that sleeve area. For me here, I'm marking 12 inches including the sewing allowance, and I came in by 2 inches. This is for our sewing allowance as well for our folding allowance. For the back neck depth, 1.5. For the front, I marked 8 inches. So you connect all the points this way. This is for our front neckline, and this is for our back. I have 1.5 for the back neck depth and 8 inches for the front. So shoulder to our half length, I'm marking 17.5. Half an inch is for the sewing allowance at the shoulder. So this is it. Determine where you want the slit to start from. Take 1/4 of your hip measurement. You can see that place somehow tight, plus your sewing allowance. You mark this way, and you will come up by 5 inches like this, and you connect it straight. This is what we are having there, 1/4 of the hip plus your sewing allowance, and you will connect this way. But I later reshape this area. I later slanted it instead of curving it this way. Is it? I came up by 5 inches there, and I will connect it from that half length this way.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind.
So cut out the front neckline. Only the front pieces you will be cutting of the front neckline this way. This is for the front. So we'll go and join it at the shoulder, hem the lower side, finish the neckline, and this is what we are having. So we have joined at the shoulder, finish the rough edges. So I want to slant it this way because I noticed that the thing was bagging too much. It came down too much. So I want to slant it this way. This will give us a better shape. So you cut it out this way. So next we'll go and close it up. Finish up all the rough edges, fold your sleeve area. That would be the end of the sewing. So this is the beautiful top we are having. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.